guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cut to the Chase Fashion, and if you're new to my channel, Cut to the Chase Fashion is a men's big and tall fashion blog run by me, Chase Tyler. And for today's video, I wanted to show you guys some luxury items that I recently received. I was very blessed this past Christmas to receive two luxury items, one from Dior and one from Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton, you have to say it very fancy, very French, but wanted to show you what I recently received. I've been a big, lover and, believer in finding great investment pieces to add to your wardrobe staples and things like that. So let's get into the video and let me show you what I got. So first I have the Dior. Got it for Christmas. I know, sorry for the backwards logo, but recently got this for Christmas, and I was lucky enough to get the Dior Classic Saddlebag. And I know, the Saddlebag is an iconic piece. It debuted in spring of 1999 when John Galliano was, the creative director and designer of the brand, of the Dior brand. And, shortly after that, kind of going into the early 2000s, it wasn't really as popular anymore. But then around 2014, I believe, is when it kind of had a resurgence with, the rise of influencers and celebrities and, things like that. So it, made a comeback, and now it's like a classic investment piece staple. So here's the box, a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous art box, love boxes like these. Even if, I take this out eventually and, put, I like to keep these for like memory boxes, especially like, things for, from me and Dylan, with our relationship or just memories in general, so definitely holding on to this box regardless of whether or not, the bag stays in it. But this is the box. And then it just comes in the Dior dust bag, and it has a gorgeous, gorgeous swan with a ribbon around it. Again, sorry for the backwards logo, but absolutely in love with it. And my mom had asked me a couple months ago, probably about like maybe right after Halloween, she was like, oh, I see this Dior Saddle Bag, what do you think? And I was like, oh, I love it. It's so, chic, it's a staple, it's timeless. And she was like, trying to, show me, I was showing her different ones. And I was like, well, this is the classic one, the monogram, the kind of beige and navy monogram one. And then, there's different prints and different styles. And so, I didn't think anything of it. And then, come Christmas when she gave me the bag, and I was like, what? For me? For moi? So I just absolutely started dying. I was like, oh my god, oh my god. And then when I opened it, I was just like, come on. I mean, I've seen, this on, of course, the Dior website, but I haven't seen it on Instagram. Now this is the, again, classic Dior Saddlebag. Has the Christian Dior hardware in black metal on both sides. Has the classic Dior D on the bottom of the bag. Again, sorry for the backwards D. And then has a back pocket right here. See, now the D is the correct way.
That is not correct.
Here, and then for the inside, of course, the cloth lining, Dior label, and then the zipper. So definitely very spacious. I posted this already on my Instagram. I wore this bag with my New Year's Eve outfit. Wore a black sequin blazer, dinner jacket I got from Forever 21 Plus. I'll insert a picture here. I know what you're gonna say, Forever 21, but I saw it, had to have it. But I'm just so obsessed. I felt so good, so confident holding this while out at dinner. And it's just a really great bag. The leather, the stitching, the detailing, the matte finish. it's just something that is just gonna last me forever and ever. Something I can, pass down to my kids. Quick notes on the bag that I found in an article from a site called Luxury Vintage. And this article was written in, or posted January 31st of 2020. Seems so long ago. Lord, if we would have known what we would be going through now. But I'm just going to show you real quick some of the history. And I'm going to have it on the screen so you can see what I'm reading. But it says, the bag with the greatest comeback of all time. It was 1999 when John Galliano gave the Dior Saddle Bag its debut during a spring and summer 2000 collection. Worn short-strapped and tied against the armpit, and started a whole new trend that became an instant success. It quickly appeared on Sex and the City on the arms of Sarah Jessica Parker, Carrie Bradshaw, and followed by many famous Hollywood stars. But again, as I said, in 2014, with the rise of influencers and social media, it kind of regained a resurgence. And it's just a piece that I'm going to have for the rest of my life. That's, like I said, eventually one of my kids will be the lucky owner of this bag. But I just absolutely love it. Again, very spacious, very, just unique. And then she got me the strap, the classic Christian Dior strap. I absolutely love it. And then it just has the beige and black logo on the back. And of course the hooks. So definitely. Now for dinner, I wanted to kind of just keep it all monochromatic with the black. So I held, I had it like this. But definitely for when I'm wearing it like out, or like more like on the go, or, traveling maybe or something like that, I'll have, the strap attached to it. But I'm very, very thankful. Thank you, Mom, for blessing me with this amazing, iconic piece. And I will have on the screen, all of the details in terms of pricing. Somebody who is looking to start investing in pieces in this new year in 2022, I highly recommend picking this up. I then saw that it came in all beige, or like all nude, and it also came in all red. Now that was on Fashion Files Instagram, and that's another thing. You don't have to get the bag directly from, Christian Dior or the website or things like that. You can pick up, the Saddlebag from the Real or a consignment store, or, support local business. There's a whole bunch of consignment stores that are popping up that I see on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest especially. Pinterest is another, platform that has gained a resurgence. And I see, influencers going live on Pinterest and having live shows and things like that. And I just think it's really cool that, social media is at that age already where things are kind of coming back. Certain trends are coming back. Certain ones, don't need to come back at all, in my opinion. But certain ones that, we all fell in love with and all, built a community around, back in the day. That sounds so, old, but, back in the day, just, with community and, forums and, ooh, where'd you get that? And, ooh, that, and, posting and reblogging like on Tumblr and pinning on Pinterest and having Pinterest boards. I just think it's really cool. So Again, this is the Christian Dior Saddle Bag in the matte black color. Again, absolutely love it. Obsessed.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
So yeah, that is this one. She, told me, about Christmas. She showed me that, and I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. Oh my God. Because I knew they were very expensive, so I wasn't, expecting anything else. I was like, oh my God, this is such a big Christmas gift. Thank you so much. Love you, love you, love you. And then Christmas Eve came around, and because she gave me that like a couple days early, just to, get me all excited and things like that. But then Christmas Eve, I'm about to go to, hang out with Dylan and his family, and she was like, oh, Merry Christmas. And I was like,
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
She got me a Louis Vuitton backpack as well, and like my jaw hit the floor. I got the Louis Vuitton backpack, one of the new styles. Here's the dust bag. Love the cloth. And this one is in the black and gray color. I can show it to you guys. I am just so obsessed. I mean, look at this. Look at the material. I mean, come on. Can you imagine? Can you believe? I mean, look at how amazingly gorgeous this is. I still can't get over it. Like, I've always been somebody who really appreciates fashion and really appreciates, how much goes into making things like this. I know, when nowadays, there's talks that, like brands like Chanel, they're not even using real gold anymore. So, but their prices are increasing. So I really just appreciate quality. And I think that this is something, again, that is going to last me forever and ever and ever. I mean, I just love the detail. And another thing, even though this is of course, the classic monogram LV, design, I love the black and gray contrast versus just the beige and black, or beige and brown, excuse me, that, you see everywhere. Because I'm somebody who likes unique pieces. Like, for example, my jumper sweatshirt from River Island has the houndstooth on the elbow kind of cuff. I'll just kind of lean forward and stand up so you can see. I just like pieces that are unique and different, especially with me being a big and tall man. But anyway, getting back to the bag. So this is the backpack. I love the detailing. I love the silver hardware. Has the pockets on both sides that you can stick like your wallet in, or you can stick, water bottle in. Oh, I have it backwards on me. There we go. One on the opposite side. Here it is in the back with the backpack straps. Silver hardware. Very, very durable. And it's not that heavy. Of course, once you put something in it, things in it, it'll get heavy, but just absolutely love it. Then I have unsnap the buckles here. And what I love about this too is that they move, as you can see. So if you want to have them, higher, lower, of course, especially as you, fill it with things. But love the inside as well. Inside is just the Louis Vuitton. There you go. It's kind of hard to see, but the Louis Vuitton logo inside, stitched into the backpack. It's stuffed, but it's it's brand new. But oops, Louis Vuitton certificate of authenticity. Like I said, I don't know. I forgot where the Dior one went. I need to find it, but because I used it the other night. But I'm just absolutely in love with it. Can't believe that I have been so spoiled this past Christmas and blessed to receive such amazing, amazing gifts. But I just, again, just can't get over how lucky and blessed I am. So, this is something that I would take with me on vacation. It would travel, you know, sometimes I would take it to work, but honestly, this is a piece more, of course, for show than for functionality. But I just absolutely am in love with it. I'm just in awe of, you know, the quality and the, you know, style and everything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these videos, if you don't like these videos. Just, you know, get me, you know, kind of give me some feedback. Let me know, you know, if you want to see, like I said, more, you know, things like this regarding, you know, luxury. And it doesn't have to be, you know, bags or designer. You know, it could be, you know, finding brands or, you know, shopping brands, small owned brands, you know, small black owned brands, you know, businesses of color, just small brands in general that cater to, you know, big and tall men or just luxury goods in general. You know, in this new year, I want to, you know, start, you know, wearing more jewelry, you know, getting into watches, getting into, you know, accessories, and really, like, elevating my style. For me, 2022 is going to be a year of growth. It's going to be a year of, you know, elevation and just kind of like a resurgence because, you know, last year I had a pretty okay year, but there were a lot of things that, you know, kind of held me back and I let, you know, weigh on my spirit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.